Marshall here from H2e.com. Today in the next, over several videos, we're going to be covering automated responses. So we'll cover each section of automated responses, how they work, how to set them up, and some of the benefits and drawbacks to automated responses within Facebook, as well as maybe an alternative or two that you can use and tie it to Facebook and automate everything, but not have to be as limited as you'll see in the Facebook features here. So starting out today, let's talk about instant reply. This will be a quick video, but I wanted to go over a few main sections for instant replies just so you know what they are. And again, we're setting this up as you've already got a business page, you've already got your business rocking and rolling, or whatever page you want to promote. And now you're wanting to set up automated responses. And what are automated responses? These are going to be automated replies to people who are either commenting or messaging you directly in your inbox to your business page or whatever page you're setting up the automated responses for. Now in instant replies, this is the first and usually the main message that just about every page will set up. Oftentimes you won't get further than this in automated replies. You'll just set up the instant reply. So what is it? It's just as Facebook says, it'll respond to the first message that someone sends you on Messenger or Instagram. So it won't respond if they've already replied to the page or already messaged the page earlier in the day. It'll only respond once, usually within 24 hours and sometimes forever. So if they've, talked to the page a few days ago and they're still in a conversation with somebody at your business or possibly yourself, then it won't send the instant reply again. Facebook's a bit glitchy, so this isn't a guarantee, but that's how it's supposed to work. It'll only send first, and so what you want to do is send this message as a hello, how are you, a general how can we help, depending on what you use inbox for or what you use Messenger for. Now, this is not an instant reply to comments on ads. This is only an instant reply to people who message your page directly or send you a shout through the inbox. So now let's go over setting up the actual instant reply. First section you come to is the when this happens section. Now, obviously, I'm assuming you've already turned on instant reply up at the top, but the when this happens section is just asking where you want this to start. So where you want these different messages to launch. And if you'd like them to cover both your Messenger and Instagram pages, you can. If you only want them to cover one, just click one. If you want them to cover both, click both. And then you'll want to save your changes down at the bottom right. So once you do that, that's going to tell Facebook, hey, I'd like you to fire off this instant reply on this platform or any platform I've checked here. If you check both of them, then it's going to work for both Instagram and Messenger at the same time. So if somebody hits you up on Messenger, it's going to send them that instant reply. If that same person hits you up on Facebook, same thing. It's going to send them that instant reply. So they will get it twice. They'll know it's an automated message, but most people are okay with that. So yeah, when this happens, pretty straightforward. Check the boxes you want. Click Save Changes. We'll go ahead and do that for H2e.com here. Save. And then you can see successfully saved down at the bottom. Now, next section is take this action, reply instantly to the customer. So obviously it's going to reply instantly. We know it's called instant reply. It's a pretty good name for it, right? Message. You'll go ahead and just add whatever message you want. Again, I'd keep it brief. I would keep it very general. And depending on what you use inbox for, Messenger for on Facebook to interact with your customers, maybe it's just for refunds. Maybe it's for, all sorts of customer support. Whatever it is, keep it relevant to that. Keep it 1 to 2 sentences, and you're good to go. Now you've got instant reply set up. Oh, don't forget to save your changes. You've got instant reply set up. You can then move to the next section. So the next video, I will cover away messages. And yeah, thanks for coming by. So once you've saved changes, you are good to go with instant reply. And that's it. Thanks for coming to the video. So once you save your changes, you are good to go with instant replies. And yeah, that's it. You are now set up with instant replies. People who message your page will get this message the first time they message your page. And in the next video, we'll show you some more advanced automated messaging from Facebook. Thanks for coming by. Again, this is Marshall with H2e Check us out for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.